wide open spaces, abundant wildlife, and the kind of peace you just can't put a price on. If you've ever dreamed of a place where the only sounds are the rustling of leaves, a bubbling creek, and maybe the distant call of a wild turkey, this 119-acre property in Dobson, North Carolina might be calling your name. With 600 feet of road frontage, rolling woods and streams weaving through the land, it's a place where you can breathe deep and feel a little more connected to nature. Whether you're looking for hunting land, a private getaway, or a long-term investment, this land holds endless opportunities. Bid online or in person on March 22nd at 2 p.m. For more information, go to rogersauctiongroup.com/auctions or reach out to us at 3367-892926. See you there.